This tranquil suburban neighborhood invites you into this charming home, a meticulously maintained ranch-style home built in 2014 and thoughtfully updated. This residence offers over 2,400 square feet of refined living space on a picturesque pond lot. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home boasts a versatile layout, including a dedicated office with French doors and a closet. The spacious great room seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining areas, making it ideal for both entertaining and everyday living. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, remodeled in 2023 to feature a stunning 14-foot island, quartz countertops, custom cabinets with crown molding, and all-new stainless steel appliances. 2 pantries provide ample storage, catering to both casual meals and gourmet cooking. In 2020, the sunroom was enclosed to create a cozy retreat with heated tile floors and a Lennox mini-split system, offering year-round comfort and serene views of the pond. The expansive primary suite offers a tranquil escape, complete with a generous walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom featuring a double sink, vanity, soaking tub, and separate walk-in shower. Step outside to enjoy the beautifully landscaped backyard, where stamped concrete surrounds the home for easy access. Relax under the pergola or take in the peaceful pond views. With modern updates, thoughtful design, and a prime location in the Southwest Allen County School District, this stunning home is ready to welcome you. What are you waiting for? Schedule your tour with Mary Mauger to discover all this exceptional home has to offer.